Here is a beginner-friendly tutorial on how to make a door hanger. Using an image editor, draw a large black rectangle and round out the top two corners. Black will be a solid and anything drawn in white will be negative space. Now, draw a little white square inside the top half of your rounded rectangle and round out all the corners but one. Now we connect the negative space to the outside of the shape, creating the iconic hook shape. Now go wild with your design. I'm going to be boring and just have a do not disturb on mine, but you can do any design you like. But just like a stencil, be sure to connect the holes in letters to the outside shape. Otherwise they'll fall out, and yeah, that won't be good. Now, we're just gonna go wild with our design. Anytime you have something that is like a full circle, you've got to connect it. Oh, also, check out how bad I am at drawing a squiggly line. See, that's a good one, but I erase it. Nope, not good enough. And then let's settle for a really bad squiggle line. Hell yeah. And then again, we're just gonna add some more text in here, just an or else, because I'm so unique. I'm so fabulous. Yeah. Got some arrows pointing down, and that's it, that's the design. Okay, so now we're going to save this as a PNG and convert it using a website to an SVG, which will allow us to open this in TinkerCad, which is a online-based CAD software. We save it, we scale it, we save it as an STL, and load it into our slicer. Make sure that the thickness is the correct thickness, because the size is not determined, so you got to make sure you actually physically scale it. I'm going for about 4.5 mil. Very nice, very nice. And then we send that away to the printer. I'm going to be using a Bambu A1, but you can use pretty much any printer you like. You could even do multicolor if you wanted. But yeah, I'm going to use this Bambu A1 because it's so beautiful. So beautiful. And then we have a nice little time lapse of this thing printing. It's very basic. This only takes about, I don't know, 40 minutes to print. It's real quick. Oh, here we go, victory noise. Never gets old. And then we crack it off the build plate, or at least we attempt to. I think I fail miserably at the first time. Yep, and the second time. Maybe. Yep. Okay, there we go. So you can see we have our finished door hook, and that goes on the handle just like that for when you are busy.